just cut me off the end of this video where I showed you how you can create your own DIY tea light holder out of a hot sauce bottle and tea lights. And all you're doing is taking a hot sauce bottle, removing the glue with glue gun, wiping it down, and taking this and hot gluing. You could use a regular glass glue to make it sturdy, but I just use hot glue. And you're putting it on one tea light as a stand and the other as a place to hold your tea light. And let me show you what you can do with your display. So you'll take, this is just a Dollar Tree stand and plate. You'll put a candle on it. You'll put an absolutely free cardboard wreath on it. And then you can fill it with pine cones just to decorate it. And again, you can always glue it to the plate or just use it like that. So guys, I hope you watch the previous part 1 of this. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching.